Okay, welcome First Robotics. So we log into SketchUp and you go to your home and we go create new, but we want to make sure that we're using decimal and millimeters. Please check that one, decimal and millimeters. So we're going to title this, wheel, and then maybe put your name, okay? I'm going to save that. So I'm going to get rid of this guy, okay? And then I'm going to go circle tool. So over here on the left, you can select the circle. Go to the origin, and we're going to drag out, let go. I haven't clicked anything, I just clicked one time. And we're going to drag out to 20 millimeters. So when I type 20, it shows in the lower right-hand corner. And I hit enter, and it looks like it disappears. But if you roll your mouse in, it's way down here. It's just very, very small. Okay. SketchUp does not save automatically, so save often and yes per Joel. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to hit P and push-pull this up. We're going to go type in 8 and hit enter. Okay. Then we are going to hit the C. Actually, we're going to drag a line across the top so that we can hit that center. We'll erase it later. And I'm going to hit C again for circle and tap the center like that. And I'm going to drag out about, let's go about 14 millimeters. Okay, so you can either type it in or you can drag it out and click on that. Okay. At this point, I'm going to push pull. Actually, I'm going to select the center line. Okay, and delete those. Okay, and I'm going to push pull this down 2 millimeters. So you can either drag down or you can type 2 and hit enter. Okay, I'm going to rotate underneath this like that. Okay, zoom in on the bottom, tap C again, or I can tap the circle tool, go to the center and drag out. We want to drag out only 1 millimeter. You're going to see it wants to snap to all kinds of things, okay? So I want it to just go to 1 millimeter and hit enter. That's going to give me this tiny little hole right there. And we want to push-pull this back up into the shape. And we gesture up, okay? And you can see down on the right, it says a distance of 2. I want that to make that 4 and hit enter. At this point, your wheel is basically done. I just kind of push this down a little bit. And if you tap K, the letter K, you can see that we have you can see kind of an x-ray of it. And you can see we have a little center for our wheel to go in. If you want to get fancy and put a little design on it, put something specific for your team, like go for it. There's a text tool in here. At this point, you're kind of done, okay? But you can make it a color. We can triple click on this. You can make it a color, go like that. Okay, something like that if you want. You can get rid of these lines on the way out. Okay, looks nice. You can put the text tool on there if you want. You can get fancy with it, but this is the basic that you need to save. Okay, so this is saved. You can tap K, the letter K again, and it'll go away. And then we're going to go over here, make sure that it's saved, and then we're going to want to go download as an STL file. Okay, if you want to make one that is specific right here, then you're going to message that file to me via the group. All right, thank you so much.